What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to change icons shape on Redmi Note 13R. So first of all, open Play Store. Now go to the search bar and search for X icon changer. Now here install this app, and after installing click on open. Now after opening the app, choose the app in which you want to change the icon. So if you want to change the Spotify app icon, then select the app. Now from here choose the icon that you want to use and then click on OK on the top right corner. Now first you have to go to the settings and then you have to give permissions to open shortcuts. So tap on OK and then it will take you to the settings, and here click on other permissions. Now click on home screen shortcuts and then click on always allow. Now after giving this permission, go back to the app and now click on OK. Now it will take few seconds to apply the icon. Now here click on change next icon and then look for your app. Now add this app to the home screen. So right now it have not changed the icon, so open again, select Spotify, select the icon and then click on OK. Now here the shortcut is changed and added to the desktop or home screen. Now when you will go back, and here the Spotify icons are added. So these are the icons that you have selected. So that's how you can change the icons in Redmi Note 13R. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.